Well, that's right. Very good morning. Right now we are in sector 93 and this is a flyover which is 500 meters away from the Twin Towers. Now, Twin Towers are right behind me and you know the arrangements have been made. One can see that proper arrangements have been made around this entire area. There is proper police protection. Also, DCP Mr. Rajesh has been made the commandant of this whole operation. Now there is going to be one commandant and 5 sub-commandant. So we've been told that before the blast, before the implosion, there would be a message which will be conveyed by all the 5 sub-commandants to the commandant, and when commandant will give green signal from this van, then only implosion is going to take place at around 2:30. So this is one special incident command center. This van has been prepared by Noida police, and this van is stationed right now here. And S. Rajesh, the DCP of the area, has been made the commandant of this entire operation. So water tankers have been called in. The QRT teams are on ground. NDRF teams have been asked to be on the standby. There is also a risk factor. You know, the risk that the pollution level is surely going to go up post the implosion. To stop that, water tankers have been placed. There are other systems, mechanisms which are going to be used by the administration here to make sure that the pollution level goes down or it can get contained in some vicinity. So this is going to be an attempt of the local administration here. Also, there are a lot of other arrangements that have been made, are that the people have been asked to vacate their houses, their flats before 7 a.m. And we've been told that half an hour before the implosion, the entire area will be cordoned off. In fact, the traffic on expressway is going to get stopped by the police force. So there is insurance, there is surety from the companies that nothing is going to happen, as they are expert. They have an experience of more than 20 years, 40 years in the profession. But despite that, administration is not ready to take any kind of risk, and this is perhaps the reason that the insurance has been done. And in fact, if any damage takes place in implosion, then the cost, the companies involved in the implosion are going to bear the cost. So such kind of treaties, agreements have been made between the company and the Noida administration. Also, one very important point: everyone today in India is talking about the Twin Tower, the implosion, but this implosion is happening because of the dark history of Supertech and the corruption because of which these towers came up illegally. So with this implosion, the government, and in fact this is happening after an order from the Supreme Court, but the government also wants to send out a strong message against the corrupt builders of Gautam Buddha Nagar and also the corrupt officials of the authority. Because even in elections also, you know, parties come to seek their votes, and they assure, and the assurance they get is that everything will be all right. The administration here and the builder lobby will work without corruption, but that has not happened. So this time around, with this implosion, there's also going to be an attempt to send out a message against corrupt builders, against the corrupt officials, those who violate the laid norms, to benefit builders and the builder lobby. So this implosion is going to send out a strong message, and in fact, the UP government and district administration also wants to send out a strong message, because Supertech used to be one of the powerful builders of Gautam Buddha Nagar, and if the Twin Towers of Sector 93 are going to be raised down, are going to be exploded, then if tomorrow anyone else enter in a connivance with the Noida authority to build a building on an illegal land, or by violating the norms, then this can happen to that building as well. So messaging is also something which the government, the administration is looking at this point in time. Back to you.
Well, yes, indeed, Siddhant. As you're rightly pointing out, they hope that this will be a deterrent. The fact that this is going to be India's biggest implosion yet, an illegal twin tower, all set to come crashing down. We will be following